Hi, I'm Sarah from Canine Balance, and today I'm going to show you a simple massage technique called ruffing. I use ruffing on any dog, young or old, and it doesn't matter if they're healthy or they have any health concerns. It will not harm your dog. With a nice loose floppy wrist, no tension in your fingers and no itsy bitsy spiders, no pushing into the dog, with my palm of my hand I apply it to the rump of the dog and I rough up against the coat. It looks like I am pushing into the dog, but it's actually not. This provides an enormous amount of stimulation to the dog. I can do it fast or vigorous, or I can do it slow. This provides an enormous amount of stimulation which brings new blood and oxygen to the muscle. With that, it increases lymphatic drainage and therefore will reduce pain. This is great for any dogs with any kind of elbow or hip dysplasia, any stiffness or tightness in the back, or have reduced range of motion. I provide this technique to all my clients. This is something that can be practiced on a young dog, maybe twice a week. With an old dog, I would do it daily. Okay? I do it up against the coat. This is called ruffing. Good girl, Queen. Good girl. So again, up the legs for about 30 seconds, including the shoulders, and against the back, from the rump all the way up to the top of the neck. Your dog will thoroughly enjoy this, plus you'll help them provide some comfort if they are in pain, and it will help them to go on and live a healthier, active, longer life. Thank you.